Happy Monday to you. I'm so excited. We have a special guest, which I'm going to let Noelle introduce now.
Hi, it's Money Monday. Hello. We are here downtown Charleston, and we have a special guest, Mr. Kai Stone, and he is a representative with 210 Home Buyers Warranty. Hi, Kai.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
So what are you going to talk to us about today?
We're going to talk about what happens when something breaks and what to expect.
Yes.
Okay.
So, if you have home warranty coverage and you experience the failure of a system or appliance, you have a plumbing stoppage or a system or appliance that isn't working like it should, you need to have it checked out, right? So what do you do? Well, what you need to do if you have home warranty coverage is to contact 210 Home Buyers Warranty and set up a service request, which is a claim, basically. And what we'll do is we'll take some information about what's going on, what you're experiencing, make sure that's something that's eligible for coverage before we try to send somebody out there.
Right.
And then we'll assign a contractor. We'll issue a work order to the homeowner and also provide them with the contractor's name, obviously, and their contact info.
Right.
We'll send that work order out to the contractor so that the homeowner and the contractor can schedule a time for a diagnosis appointment and to figure out what's going on. Yeah. They're not beeping at us, don't worry.
No, they're not.
So, how do you place the claim? Well, you can call or you can do it online. Doing it online is really easy. I've done it myself several times, and you usually get through it no problem. And you can also call. There's some people that just like to talk to folks, and we can set it up that way as well. So once that work order has been assigned, the company that has been assigned to it, the customer, I usually tell the customer that, the company does have a window in which we say, you have to reach out to this customer, within, 48 hours, basically,
Okay, gotcha.
in normal business time. But that doesn't stop the customer from maybe calling them to see if they can get on their schedule as quickly as they can. Right. So I encourage customers to go ahead and reach out to the contractor after maybe about an hour or so they have time to receive that work order and get on their schedule so they can come out and figure out what the problem is. You pay the contractor a service fee of either $100 or $75, just depending on what premium and plan you pay either at closing or if you're just signing up with us.
Gotcha.
That's a pretty reasonable amount. A lot of times the diagnostic fee for plumbers, electricians, appliance contractors is even more than $100.
Yeah.
And obviously that's just to get them in the door, and you're going to pay for the repair after that, right? So you pay the service fee. The contractor does their thing. They get a diagnosis on what's going on. They relay that information to 210. Depending on what it is, they may not be able to fix it just right then. We might need parts.
Yes.
So, there's a gazillion things that can happen, but if we have to supply parts, or the contractor may have them readily available, just depends, right? So, after the diagnosis and they figure out what's wrong, we reimburse the contractor directly for what we're liable for. So the homeowner doesn't have to pay the contractor up front and then be reimbursed when they're going in network. So it's a really smooth process. Home warranty plans cover a large amount of things that can go wrong in the house. They don't cover everything, and may not in every situation cover the entire cost of the repair. Depending on what coverage plan you have, we have a standard or Supreme. So the Supreme adds some things if there's a major repair or full replacement, like haul away and disposal of defective equipment. You may have to pull permits to do a job. You may have to correct code violations that are there, perform modifications. There's a lot of things that can be attributed above and beyond parts and labor. So if you have Supreme, you're very well covered. That being said, you still could have some non-covered costs in some situations. That if you do though, typically you've won the bet. You capitalize on the warranty investment. We've paid out a lot of money for the claim and likely upgraded a system or appliance for you. So that's a little bit about the process. Maybe I missed something. Maybe you have a question.
I do. What's the fee for that? Like if they wanted to renew it?
Yeah, good question. So we try to renew folks every year, and you'll get phone calls, hard mail pieces, as well as email to communicate your renewal. Home warranty plans are packaged in a way to benefit real estate and get buyers protected at closing. That being said, we give a discount to that first year customer. So the second year the price would go up a little bit, right? It's hard to give an average because it's kind of like homeowners insurance, where if you use it a lot, it could go up a little more.
Right.
But it's still, if you look at all the things that we cover, all the systems and appliances we cover, and you were to price that out with like manufacturers, extended warranties.
Exactly.
It's a great value.
Right.
It's a budgeting tool, right?
Yes.
So if you had a great suggestion, I think.
Right, with budgeting.
Yeah, with
How do you
budgeting.
suggest?
Yes,
budget?
I'm a budget guru, but for me, what I do, and I'll just speak personally in my family, what we do is with our mortgage payment, we actually send our mortgage payment to one joint account, and it is automatically drafted. Along with not only our mortgage payment, we also divide our home warranty for the next year into that mortgage payment. So for instance, if our home warranty for the next year is going to be $465 to get our home warranty for next year, we divide that by 12, and that's going to give us a payment of $38. So we send our mortgage payment to our joint account with an additional $38 per month. And at the end of the year, when January rolls around, it's a brand new year, we need a brand new coverage, we automatically have that $465 sitting there. It's saved, it's set aside, and it didn't break the bank. It was $38 per month, and
sitting there waiting at the end of the year.
Sitting there waiting.
That's awesome.
Yep.
That's an awesome idea because you're also avoiding a finance charge.
Absolutely.
Warranty companies will let you break your payment up, but it's a business, and we're taking some risk in doing that. So there's going to be a small finance or convenience fee for that. So she's also avoiding that as well. So I thought that was a fantastic idea when we were having lunch, and I'm going to be using that in my other presentations as well.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's a go-getter.
Right. You
It
learn
does
something
help.
new every day.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Every budgeting counts. It's so important. You are a new homeowner, or you just upgraded, or you downsized. Budgeting counts all around the board. And so every time that you can put some money set aside, it really will help you in the long run of keeping up with, most importantly, your systems, your appliances, and keeping up with the basis of your home.
Awesome. So Kai, I do have a question.
Sure.
So let's say, God forbid, but they have to use the warranty and it requires you replacing the appliance. Do you replace the appliance for the same value, or how do you determine that?
Right. So we try to match it as closely as we can.
Okay.
With similar features where the primary function of that system or appliance. So let's say it's a refrigerator, and it's a side by side. It's stainless steel. Whatever it may be. We're gonna try to get it as close as we can. And so, depending on the age of it, it may be easier than others. Sometimes it's a big upgrade from what the customer has.
It's an older house.
They're really happy, but we're not going to go, and I get the question a lot, well, like, what kind of appliance? Are you going to go in there and stick like a really teeny tiny refrigerator or something? No, it's matched as close as we can. I mean, sometimes it may not fit, right, if you don't put the correct size in there, especially for ranges and dishwashers and things like that. More so than refrigerators, but we try to match it as closely as we can for appliances. For air conditioning, it's a little different. You can't really go back and match it. You can't put in that old system anymore. So if you were to get a new AC system, then we will guarantee SEER matching on it. And what that means is it's an efficiency rating. So the minimum requirement for, it's called SEER, is 14 now. And so we would put in a SEER 14 system for an HVAC.
Nice. That's wonderful. That's good to know.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Kai, so much. Noah, did you have a question?
I did.
Okay.
I think you covered a lot.
Okay. I know he covered a lot. He's very thorough. That's awesome. And the good thing about Kai, he is local. So if you have any questions or concerns or anything like that about home warranties, maybe you even need to purchase one, you can contact us and we'll definitely reach out to Kai for you and get you in touch with him. You can reach me, Kat, at 843-425-2528, or Noelle.
You can reach me at 843-489-1141. Please like the video and also comment if you do have any questions or you would like to be in contact with 210 Home Buyers Warranty. But other than that, please share the video. We are giving out free information, and we would love to spread the wealth and share to anyone, because we may not have a contact that you have.
Right.
So we appreciate you for watching.
Yes, thank you. And if you have any suggestions for us, any more videos that you want Noelle and I to touch on, or if you want Kai to come back and maybe have some more, do another series with us, we'd love that. Reach out to us, because your feedback is very important. We want to reach and teach and touch and impact as many people as we can.
Absolutely.
Even though we're realtors, we want to give back at the same time. You
Yes.
matter. Yes. Bye.
Have a good day.